So as we're getting into these colder months at the end of the year, and if you ever heard the term black ice and wondered what it was, I'm going to explain it for you right now. So basically black ice is a very thin layer of ice that accumulates on a pavement, so anything like roadways, to driveways, sidewalks, stuff like that. And the reason why it's called black ice is because its transparency, it blends in with the pavement. So basically taking on the color of the driveway. And so that's why it gets the term black ice, because the roads are black and it blends in with it. And so it shows up as the color black. And so it's not very visible to the human eye. But there's 3 different ways that black ice can form. And so the first way is through melting of the water during the day. So the sun melts the snow or the ice that's on the roadway, but it doesn't have enough time for that water to evaporate completely. So at night when we get back below freezing, this water on the surface will refreeze again, creating black ice on the surface. And so that's one way. And then the next way is through freezing rain. And so the rain, it's not below freezing as it's falling, but once it hits the surface, which is below 32 degrees, so it is below freezing, it freezes on contact with the surface, creating a thin layer of black ice on the surface. But the last way we can see black ice is through fog. And so the water that is in the water droplets in the fog, they freeze on contact with the surface, which is also below 32 degrees. And so as it's falling, it will freeze and create another case of black ice. And so black ice is something that's very dangerous and should be taken seriously if you're ever out on the roadways during these colder months.